Alright, first step is you remove this handle, unscrew it. Comes off. Next step is you're going to pop this piece of trim out gently. You can use a flathead or plastic wedge tool. Plastic tool is better. The next thing you're going to do is pop out this here. So you can open this and come behind right here and push gently with your screwdriver. Push this back in and then just pop this out all the way. Pick this up and put it to the side. Then you're going to take off the main plate here. There are 4 clips. And just pick up on it in the corners, and then you can pry away the sides here. And it comes right out. Alright, your stock cup holder is going to be held in by these 4 screws. Keep these screws because we're going to use them on the new install. So the stock cup holder would be under here. What you're going to do is take these screws out and just remove the old cup holder. This is the new plate that comes with the install kit. Just drop it right on here and put these 4 screws back in their holes. To put it back together, it's the same steps. Pop this on, push down on the 4 corners, come around here, and push that back in. And then we're going to install the top bracket of the cup holder here. So we're going to have 2 M5 screws going through these holes into the nuts in the bottom bracket. What I like to do is put it on the Allen wrench, put it through the hole, and then put it in place and install. One more on the other side. And tighten these down pretty good. Next step is to install the cup holder assembly. It's going to be 2 M3 screws. And this will come assembled, and you drop this down into the holes. And these screws go into tapped holes inside the sheet metal. So use a smaller Allen wrench. You gotta be careful not to drop these down the hole where the cup holder is installed. Alright, that's it for the cup holder. To put the trim back on, just pop it in like that, and the handle screws back on. That's all there is to it.